Thanks for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. This is going to begin the unboxing and review of the Ausranvik portable refrigerator freezer. But as you can see, it says leave it upright for 10 hours before plugging it in. Well, the Amazon driver that delivered it on its side. So we'll get back to you tomorrow. Okay, we're back. It's been a couple of days actually, because we had some rain and other things going on. But this has been sitting for quite some time, and now it's safe to open it up and see what's in there. Seems rather well packaged. There are plastic corners on all over the lid for the foam that covers the ice chest, and looks like 4 corner pieces. Don't tilt it. Looks like he's going to need a little help, maybe. Maybe you want to use a knife. Turn it around, please, so that everybody can see it. All the way around. There you go. It appears to have a large freezer section on the left and a refrigerated section on the right, which is probably only maybe good enough for approximately a 6-pack. Let's see what's in there, son. Show the camera. It appears to have the handles.
That wasn't expected.
It was by me, but, and the charger, which appears to be either 110 or 12 volt. We're going to put the handles back together and back on and onto the device, and we'll get back with you. All right, we're back. You don't need any tools with the exception of this Allen wrench that came provided. It uses these Allen screws, which it came with a couple of extras. The manual shows clearly how to operate the unit. It has 2 modes, Eco and Max mode. By default, it's on Max mode. And we're going to take it inside and plug it in and put half full bottle of water maybe or something like that in it and see how long it takes to freeze it. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're about to put this bottle, half empty bottle of water in this Gatorade bottle in the freezer and see how long it takes to freeze. We're going to use our Echo Dot to time it. Put it in, son.
Oh, it was frozen. I just shook it up a bit and it kind of turned into water mostly again, but there's ice in there. And it froze somewhere between 11:51 and 5:30. That's how long it took. But it works like it's supposed to.
So, our conclusions on the Ausranvik 37 quart refrigerator freezer is it's a pretty decent refrigerator freezer, especially if you were going to go camping or something like that. I mean, you could actually bring ice cream with you. That'd be pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.